The JEET W1S Sport Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the JEET W1S Sport Earbuds. These earbuds are marketed toward those that have active lifestyles and come in under $40. It can be used for running or working out in the gym. I will go over specs, features, play music samples, and microphone, and then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with your standard user guide, multiple sizes of ear tips with wing tips, a micro USB cable for charging, and a carrying pouch. These earbuds feature 11 hours of listening and talk time. It has quick charge, so 15 minutes will give you about 2 hours of listening time. It uses Bluetooth 4.1, Qualcomm CSR chip and aptX, button controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The earbuds are powered by 11mm drivers, and the outside has a brushed finish. The ear tip and wing tips are one piece. You can also attach the right and left earbuds together with the magnets. This is convenient so you can secure it around your neck when it's not in use. The inline controls are on the right side. It has the multi-function button, micro USB port, microphone, and status LED. The middle of the cord, you have the battery compartment. To access the charging port, you just need to flip the cover up. The playback and call controls are detailed in the manual and they're easy to navigate. The earbuds weigh in at roughly 18 grams. Now I will provide some music samples that will be coming from the earbuds, followed by a microphone sample in a noisy setting.
Take me back to the nights we felt alive, picking up the pieces on a summer night. I didn't know that I would feel just like my heart's on fire whenever I'm with you. Cause we go back in time, the thrills I miss and all the things I wish we did. All I know is that I need somebody like you.
This is a test of the JEET Sport Wireless Earbuds microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now testing video with an iOS device, I didn't experience any noticeable latency. And this can vary depending on apps and device used. Pairing was also instantaneous and range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. So here are my thoughts on the Fleet W1S Sport Earbuds. And I always start off by saying sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The earbuds were comfortable in the ears. The silicone tips were soft and easy to put on. It created a nice snug fit, and the wing tips really help. You can easily wear these for extended periods of time without any issues. Build and quality is pretty good. They have a simple design and it feels durable. The controls are responsive and easy to navigate as well. When it comes to sound, I didn't really know what to expect. Starting off with the lows, you get a nice presence with the bass. It's very punchy and tight, as you heard from the music samples. Mids and highs also come in very loud, and it's not too bright sounding. The overall experience I would describe as energetic, and volume levels get very loud. Something you would really expect when you're working out. So this is definitely a good option for those that are seeking running and workout earbuds that are on a budget. The collar design might not be for everyone, but it is very functional as you can easily attach them together and hold them around your neck. The price point provides terrific value, and the sound it produces should be adequate. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.